They have stalls here. You bring your horse. They got stalls for you to keep your horses in also. It's pretty cool. Looks like they got 8 stalls altogether. See the blue jay over there? I was sitting here in my seat and he landed right, let's back this up so you can see. He landed right here and looked at me for a little while and cocked his head back and forwards. That was pretty cool. Well, he's gone. Good morning, guys. Another day. Birds met up with us, talked to us a little bit, but now we're getting ready to eat some yogurt. Max has already ate, but we're getting ready to have a simple meal with some yogurt. I don't know about y'all, but I love some yogurt. All right. Yeah. And we're gonna have some raspberries. I like it with granola also, but I don't have any. I gotta get some. So hopefully next time I have some, I'll have some yogurt. I mean some granola. There you go. Here, y'all take the first bite. Let's see how it tastes. Delicious. Couldn't ask for it to be any better. All right, I'm gonna eat this. Get back with y'all later. Think later we're gonna go on another hike down the road. There's a trail. So if we do, I'll get back with y'all then.
Away from me. This is great.
All right, peeps, let's heat this corn up right here. And Max can eat some sweet corn, and I'm gonna put it in a salad. Alright guys, we're gonna let that heat up. And once it's heated up, we'll put some in Max's food, and I'm gonna fix me a salad and put some in my salad. Shouldn't take it long to heat up. The wind's trying to blow the flames, but it's okay. Alright, let's put some of this in Max's bowl. That's hot. Doesn't take long. Alright, let's let that cool off for Max, and then we'll give it to him. Alrighty, we're gonna give Max some raspberries in his bowl too, because he loves raspberries. Max, you want raspberries? That should be enough. Now, get a little bit of ham or turkey. Give him some turkey. Alright, now that's Max's meal. Yummy. Hey, boo-boo. There you go. Now Mama's gonna fix hers. This maple bourbon bacon chopped kit, it's really good. You should try it. Comes with the sauce and everything. I already ate out of it like 3 times. So alrighty. Put this in here. I need a napkin. I'll be right back. I gotta go get a napkin. All right, let's put some corn in mine. That's good. Put us some turkey in here. Empty that. Right. Raspberry there. There you go. Looks yummy, huh? I think so. I've got some crackers right here to go with it. So I'm gonna sit down and eat. Give y'all a bite first. Here's y'all a bite. All right. Now I'm gonna take a bite and try it. Let's see. Good. All right. I'm gonna let y'all go, and I'm gonna eat. Now check this out, y'all. This is what I want. That wasn't an earthquake. That was Max pulling. get around this tree so we can see it better. That's awesome. That's some awesome rig right there. Then you can let the top down and it's not so high up in the air. Come on, Max. Stand up in it. Sweet. Let's go around and get a front view. Got the KC lights up there. Texas. Sweet ride. That is awesome. Look, it's like you got any food? Pretty. Well, Max has stole Sophie's stroller.